Pranam to all, how are you? I hope you are all fine. Today let us talk about a very important plant in our kitchen garden. Can you recognize this plant? Yes, you are correct. This is the ginger plant. But those who are living in urban areas will be like, where should we plant our plants? There's no space here. So today let us tell you a solution of that. You can easily grow them in jute bags, plastic bags, and they occupy very little space. And they are also occupying very little space. And you can keep them in any rooftop garden or balcony where good sunlight is there. Did you guess what plant we are talking about today? Yes, as you can see, it is the ginger plant. My mom selected some gingers from the ginger that we buy in the market. Make sure to select the ginger with nodes. Next, you have to soak them in turmeric water for 8 hours. You can also soak in bioenzyme if you wish to. I hope you all know that we do organic gardening. That's why everything here is chemical free. That's why I'm going to be telling you the organic way to plant gingers. Then make sure to plant them in any loamy kind of soil. And if you have soil with sand available, it is the best. After planting it, cover them like this. Actually, right now it is the harvesting time, not the planting time. Actually, the planting time is May or June. Those who stay in Delhi know how much it rained in the December last week and the January first week. And as we were out of Delhi, we could not take any kind of protection of our plants. For that, our plants got ruined. Actually, the harvesting time is last week of February to March. But let us harvest it right now only. The ginger is totally organic. Look, my mom has collected this much ginger from one pot. And if it stayed like that until March, we would get much more. Anyways, hope that next year we'll get lots of ginger. Also, if you are planning to plant ginger this year, make sure that you have loamy soil. And it must be well fertiled. The main part of ginger plant is only the soil preparation. So make sure that the soil is well ready. Look, this is how much ginger we collected from only one pot. Those who also want to plant ginger or any other vegetable plants in their own garden, then make sure to stay with us. My mom will again upload a video on May or June in this ginger plant. In our channel, we tell how to plant many other plants other than ginger. So you can plant them in your garden and get lots of vegetables from your very own garden in very little space. That's all. Bye bye.